roof. Use your body to get rid of all the obstacles. Level 1, shoo away the pigeons. Watch out. Keep going. Look, it's Clyde and Lincoln. Bump the volleyballs. You got it. All right. What's Luann up to? Great job. Squish the bugs. Ugh, they're so squishy. Look, it's Lori Loud. I knew you could do it. Slice the watermelons. Great job. What's Lana doing with that pool noodle? All right. Raise the roof. Keep going. That's it. Level 2. Push the chair. That's it. Are there 2 Lisas? You got it. Chase away the ghosts. Watch out. Ooh, spooky. Lily is so cute. Awesome. Chop the pickles. You got it. Wonder what Lori's doing. Nice work. Clear away the smoke. It's so smoky. I can't see the screen. Raise the roof. Keep going. Just a little more. I see Lucy. Level 3. Swat away the bees. Oh, there's so many. I can't see the screen and I want to see Luna. Keep going. Roll away the meatballs. They're gigantic. Watch out. I wish I could see the screen. Bye-bye, meatballs. Chop down the cactus. It's growing. Watch out for the spines. You got it. Look at Luna rock. Nice work. Raise the roof. Keep going. You can do it. Woohoo! You did it.